This is another day in my life of making 100k in only 5 months. I'm 16 years old and today is day 41 or something like that. Today in school I worked a bit on my shop hunter and just started the main code. At home I made some TikToks and just focused on my jewelry brand and made a plan what I will do in the future with the jewelry brand, because it's very important. And one thing was really fucking me up. It's hand thing, because I've worked too much, so my hand just was overworked and I was hurting, and I have to wear this for two weeks or 1 week, and that's not nice. But I'm working the whole day and going in the gym and but it will pay off one day. Just confess something like your health for your dreams, or you won't make it. So you will make it without confessing your health. I'm just doing everything to get it as fast as possible. Next year will be really crazy, and this year will be crazy too. This month I have goals. You will see what I do, and everything is working out. And yes, it's only a matter of time till I'll be there where I want to be. See you tomorrow, see you in the next video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and join my Discord server. Link is in the description.